my channel. If you are new to this, I am KB Natural, aka Kia B. Before we start this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, baby. Today's video is so important. Why? Because we are discussing moisture and why moisture is so important. Our hair cannot grow unless we have moisture retention. So today we're gonna be doing a little bit of moisture 101 for the perfect wash and go. So you wanna make sure you're starting off with a moisturizing base. Today I have my homemade pre-poo moisture base. Here it is in my spray bottle. You guys know I love my trusty spray bottle. If you see there, the oils are at the top and then the aloe vera juice is at the bottom. So what I have in here is honey, olive oil, and aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is excellent for hair growth. It's also really good for your scalp. Olive oil is an oil, so it's basically gonna seal the moisture into my hair. And then honey is a humectant. So I definitely want that humectant in my hair as well to drench up all of that moisture. So I'm gonna start off by just parting my hair into 4 sections. You can part it into however many sections you want to, honey. But today I'm just gonna do 4. Again, this is the pre-poo method. This is not after a wash and go or anything like that. If you are a beginner and you are wondering what is a pre-poo, pre-poo is basically the base for your wash day. So it's basically just prepping your hair for a wash. So you wanna make sure that your hair is extra moisturized before you go in to shampoo your hair, just so it can be detangled and soft and easy for you to shampoo it and move on to the next step. All right, so my hair is parted into 4 sections. I'm just gonna go in with my spray bottle and spray it on my hair. Make sure I'm getting all of my strands. Make sure the moisture is getting in between my strands. And then I'm just gonna twist it up and move on to the next step. Shake it up a little bit. If you have oils, make sure you are shaking your spray bottle so everything can all be combined together. And you want to make sure that you're also getting your scalp. So I'm just gonna part my hair into smaller sections like here, and I'm getting my scalp, and I want to make sure I'm also getting my hair so the moisture can be sure to get inside of the strands. I'm gonna show you guys why I have low porosity hair once I get to the top of my hair, so you can see the water beads sitting on top of my hair. If you have low porosity hair, you wanna make sure that you are raking this through so that the moisture can get in those strands. I cannot stress that enough. Basically just gonna separate the knots to detangle. So I'm gonna show you exactly how the water beads sit on top of my hair when I spritz the mixture in it. It might not sit all the way on top just because it has honey and olive oil in here, but we'll see. Oh, yep. Prime example of low porosity hair. You see how the water beads are sitting on top of my hair? That's a no-go when you are trying to obtain moisture. You wanna make sure that you are raking that water or whatever the solution that you have. You wanna make sure that you are raking that through, because the moisture is clearly sitting on top of my hair, so it's not going anywhere. I have to make sure that I rake it through to get it inside of my strands. You will be able to feel the moisture inside of your strands when you're raking, because your hair will get softer. You will just automatically start to feel the results of it. So if you are low porosity, make sure you are checking for that when you are moisturizing your hair. I really don't pre-poo like I should. I just feel like I don't be having the time. Wash day is a whole day, so it's just a process, an extra process that I don't take, which I should. I would definitely recommend this step though. If you don't take this step already, I will recommend it because you're going to immediately feel the results while you're in the shower. Your hair is going to be moisturized, it's going to be detangled, it's going to make wash day so much easier. So I'm going to finish up with this side of my hair. I shampooed my hair, I deep conditioned it, and now I'm ready to get under some heat. It's very important to retain moisture that you are sitting under some heat when you have your deep conditioning in. Let me get that out my face. So if you take a close look, you'll see how moisturized my hair is with this deep conditioner in. Now all I have to do is put a plastic cap on it. I'm gonna twist it up just so I can retain that moisture. Put a plastic cap on it, and then I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes. I definitely wanna get me a heated cap to make it a little bit easier, so I'm gonna invest in one of those. If you have one of those, you can use that as well, a steamer, it doesn't matter. But in order to retain this moisture from the deep conditioning, we wanna make sure that we are sitting under some type of heat source so we can obtain that moisture in our hair strands. Deep conditioning is complete. Now I've moved on to my moisturizing hair milk. You can use a hair milk, you can use a leave-in conditioner as long as it's something moisturizing and it's similar to a leave-in conditioner. I would honestly prefer to use a leave-in conditioner just because the slip is easier and just because I know for a fact that my hair will retain the moisture throughout the week for my wash and go. So here are the results of the hair milk. You can kind of see my curls popping. It is very moisturized. Like I said, I appreciate the consistency of a leave-in conditioner so much better, but the hair milk still did the job. I do want to say that I did add some more moisture as a base and on top of the hair milk. I used aloe vera juice in my water bottle, just spritzed it all over there. You want to make sure when you are doing your wash and goes that you are packing moisture on top of everything that you are applying to your hair. So I'm gonna come back when I'm finally done with my wash and go so you can see the results. We don't want to be rocking a crispy wash and go. We don't want to rock a dry wash and go. We want to make sure that that moisture retention is in our wash and goes because it is very important not only for hair growth but for the health of your hair. I'm back, y'all. This is the day after wash day. My hair is completely moisturized. It is so important to have moisturized hair. If your hair is not moisturized, it will break off. Your hair will be super dull, super dry, and it will be very hard to grow your hair. Now, hair grows out of the scalp, so it's important that you are maintaining a healthy scalp as well. But in order for your hair to maintain the health, you definitely need to have a moisture-based regimen. I never knew the importance of having moisturized hair until my natural hair journey. Literally, y'all, I would just rock my straight hair, not put no moisture on it, and then get my hair washed and straightened again 2 weeks later without adding any moisture. So it's very important that you are adding moisture to your hair so you do not see that breakage. Now, I explained in my wash day video why shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner is so important. But let me just tell you, you don't always have to use a moisturizing shampoo. You can use a co-wash. Listen to your hair. You just don't want to continue to add moisture on top of moisture on top of moisture just because I'm saying so or just because research says so. You definitely want to listen to your hair first. My hair is different from yours, so you want to make sure that you're listening to your hair. When your hair tells you it needs moisture, add moisture. If your hair is telling you I don't need any moisture, you don't have to add any more moisture. So if you ask yourself, why am I not seeing growth results? Why is my hair continuing to break off? Just think about it, sis, and watch this video. Add that moisture to your routine and I promise you, you will start to see results. I really hope this Moisture 101 retention for wash and goes helped you. And if you don't rock a wash and go, I still hope it helped you. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get the ring to all my new uploads. And don't forget to subscribe. I cannot make these videos without subscribers. But to all 62 of my subscribers, thank you so much for watching. And I can't wait till next Friday, till our next video. See you next time.